Hello everyone, today to share with you a case. This is a big cousin to send a car, and he said he today to the car instrument data repair after. Found that the pointer has been jumping and the pointer is through the original position have been installed. And now it's like this. I put the key in and turned on the meter. It's still the same. This is usually a problem with the meter data program, so let's remove the meter and rewrite a copy of the data. Okay, take the meter off. Then remove the two screws. Now that the meter is off, let's go up and write a new data program for it. We'll disassemble the meter. Then take off all the needles. There are two screws on it. There are two screws on it. Okay, we can see that there is a CPU on the meter and an octagonal memory on the side. The model number on it is 95040. Let's solder it down. After we solder it, we'll put it on the recognizer. Put on our programmer. It's a 95 series 9540. Then we'll read the original data. We'll plug in the SF power supply. Okay, this is its raw data. Let's save it first. Okay, it's saved successfully. Next, we'll open a good data file for it. Then I found a good data on my side. We open it. Then click Write. Okay, the operation is completed. Next, we'll solder the chip back together and test it in the car. Okay, we're done with the soldering machine, and then we'll put the rest of it back together. Then we'll put the pointer on it. Okay, now we install the car to test the meter. Now has been installed in the car to test everything is normal. Now the pointer does not jump meter open. It's also good. It's all normal. So like this situation, it is usually the data to read the loss caused by this, so that we encountered this situation in the future, must save the original data. Well, I can let the big cousin to pick up the car,